So how to deal with orphan chunks and why to deal with orphan chunks. So 1, they're wasting space. 2, they can screw up your counts. 3, if you're doing secondary reads, you might be getting odd results because of these orphan documents. So that basically you want to get rid of them for a variety of reasons. And how do you actually deal with those orphan chunks? What do you do with them? Well, pre 2.6, we had a script, and the script is called orphanage.js. And it's available on GitHub under support tools. I'll just bring that up very quickly, 1 second. It's available in GitHub under this URL. Let me just zoom in and make that a little bit easier to read. So the MongoDB repo under support tools, and then if we scroll down a little bit, you can see orphanage. As with all things, there's a huge disclaimer here. These scripts and tools are provided at your own risk. They are not part of the MongoDB database, so using them is at your own risk. Orphanage is contained in this folder here. It's orphanage.js. It has a README, it has usage instructions, and the big disclaimer. So it actually has usage instructions when you load it up. So that's orphanage.js. So pre 2.6, you ran orphanage.js. You can run, as part of orphanage, you can ask for a report. How many orphan documents do I have? And then you can say, okay, I'm happy with you going and deleting those. For 2.6 and beyond, the good news is that we have a cleanup orphaned command. The same caveat applies here as did for the next listed command, actually, merge chunks. That until the release is out the door, this may or may not make it. But for now, cleanup orphaned command is now in 2.6. And it's basically a very similar mechanism to the orphanage.js script. In fact, that's what the command is based on, is our usage of orphanage.js. And as you can see, it incrementally deletes orphan data, and values do not fall within the ranges of the chunks owned by that shard. You provide the collection name, you tell it where to start, and you tell it whether to do a secondary throttle or not. Secondary throttles come up one time before, and it's to do with migrations. So secondary throttle is when you're doing these operations, do you wish to do a write concern of majority or not? And the recommendation would be to certainly do that. You want those deletes to make it to the rest of your replica set and be cleaned up everywhere, since one of the downsides of having orphan documents is that they will show up on secondary reads. So there you go. That's what to do with orphan documents. 2.6, orphaned command. And there we go.